Granule packaging machine. Multiple models. High precision quantitative filling. Fully automatic integrated packaging. Neat cut strong seal. Improve efficiency standardized packaging. Compatible with complete production lines. Highly consistent weight across multiple bags. Anti-deviation anti-jamming film. Smooth film feeding operation. Customized bag width and length. Stable center sealing length control. The end seal is neat and firm. Precise cutting stable bag forming. Optional configuration. Packaging materials. Packaging bag type. Client feedback.